Hello and welcome to Pink Poodle 2. I am Pink Poodle. This is Maisie, my pink poodle. Say hello, Maisie. And this is my other pink poodle, Priscilla. Hello, Priscilla. I'm afraid the poodles have gone out for a walk with their dads, so they're not here. That's Billy Bum Bum normally and Lady Dora. And today we are bringing Glossybox. So Glossybox is a subscription box. It costs $13.25 a month and you get 6 beauty products in it. So let's have a butcher's of what's in it. So it comes like, sometimes it has like really nice boxes, theme boxes. Last month was like gold and red, and this month it's normal salmon sexy pink. I quite like this pink. So let's open her up and see what's in now. And this is what she looks like. And she's done up with a bow. She's always looking very pretty. And you have a nice little thing about what's going on. And then you have it all done up with seal. And then you open it up and that's what's inside. So let's go through them one at a time. So it says, Happy New Year, Glossies. Out of the cold out of the old and with the new. We know you've heard it all before, but we're here to help to make sure some serious beauty goals that we can all stick to. We're kicking off the new year with an edit products that will make you keeping beauty resolutions easy. From hydrating your hair treatment to luxurious moisturizer and discovering new beauty tools, our January picks will help you start the fabulous chapter in your beauty journey. No more broken priorities for us. Find out what resolutions we'll be sticking to in 2019. And I hope you can hear me because I'm always worried that you can. Anyway, so first of all we've got this, which is a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying base and night cream, and it's by the brand, is it Avant? And those late December nights of call for skincare saviour. We've got the perfect solution, delightful full-size anti-aging moisturiser formulated with deeply hydrating wonder ingredient hyaluronic acid. It will rejuvenate tired eyes, promote even skin tone and minimise the appearance of pores. And this is a full size, and this is worth £98, guys. 98. That is a lot of money. So let's just see how it goes. And that's what she looks like on your hand there. Rub it in. Oh, it goes very quickly. Look at that. That's gone so quickly. It's got a nice little fresh smell. Like that. Going to start using that. That's going by my bed, so I can put that on at night. And it says it's got shea butter, hyaluronic, vitamin B3, seawater, so sweet almond. That's why it sells sweet then, isn't it? Ah, obviously. Next we've got a facial micro foaming gel by the brand -417. I don't know what that means, but that's what it's called. And this is worth £13.31. And this is a deluxe mini. A full size at 200ml is £22.71. And this is at 100ml, so it works out at £13.31. And here comes the poodles back from their walk. And this says, I will cleanse my skin morning and night. Let's take off the safety seals. What we like to see is a safety seal, guys, isn't it? So I can take the thing off. And it's just splurged out, and it's got like little beads in. Put it on this side. You can see like it's got beads and they just sort of disappear. Sort of like scrubby things. Let's just wipe it on my towel. I think I've got a towel here. Let's feel it. Oh, it feels very smooth after. Right, so that's good. we'll be looking forward to using that. Then we've got a mask, which is a full size for your deep conditioning, and this is £2.49, and this is an argan oil mask from Morocco, and it's for dye damaged hair, which will suit my hair because it's very dry, and I'll be able to use this twice, so that's really good. And there was a set of 3 you could get, and I got that one. Then we've got Damage Control Batiste dry shampoo, which is a deluxe mini for £1.50, and you just and that's what you do with it apparently, and then your hair doesn't need to have a wash yet, so that's really good. I'm pleased with that. I'm going to put that there because it's going to get lost. And then we have the last item, which is Wilkinson size eyebrow shaper. Oh, you get quite a few. You get 3. And I use these. I got these from many years ago from QVC, a brand that was doing it then. So this is all new, and these are worth £3.99. So that's pretty good. That's quite cheap actually, because I paid quite a bit of money for mine a few years back. This is really good because you can keep your eyebrows in shape. If I can open them, that is, because it's really difficult to open. Bear with me, managed to do it. And you get 3 of them, so if you want your friends to have a little thing, and you just, they're quite sharp. As you can see, there's some hair, and you can also do your hair on your face with it if you want to as well, and it just comes off. You can see there's some hair there. I don't know if I've got any on my eyebrows because you can't see really, but you can hear it anyway as it comes off. Can you hear? I could maybe show you on my arm, might be easier, mightn't it? So like, do you know, I'm not very hairy to be fair. There you go. So can you see all that sort of fuzzy hair coming off? So it takes the fuzzy hair off as well. So yeah, so you can see that's a bit of hair off, but you do it with your eyebrows as well, so it's really, really good. So I'm liking that. So I know that it's quite a bit of money this month on how much is there in it. So we've got £98. Let's see if we can add it up as we go. £98 and £1.50. That's £99.50 plus £4, which is £103.50. Then 240 is 105, 106, 119 £119 it is worth, and we pay £13.50. So I would say, my loves, that is a bargain, do you not think? Oh, sorry about my makeup's gone a bit too lowly. I've got my Jeffree Star Alien palette on today. I thought I'd do a different look. So I'm wearing mustard. Anyway, I'm digressing. So next month we have a sneak peek, and we'll be getting flirty with a Fairy's lip contour pencil worth £16 for Huda Beauty, either in Flirt or Venus. Which will you? Yeah. So that is my Glossybox for this month. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that, to be fair. Very good box. So thank you for watching my video. I have got a referral code, so if you fancy getting Glossybox and you want referral code, use my referral code. You also get some money off. You're welcome to. If not, you don't have to. So I will include that in the video down below. And so, what do we say, girls? If you enjoyed this video, please give us a paws up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you'd like to subscribe, that would be fantastic. Hit the bell button, because you never know when I'm going to upload. And I don't know, where's the poodles? Can you see them anywhere? I don't know. Oh look, there's Dora. Dodders! There's Dora. I don't know if you can see it. Dora! There's Dora, and Billy's just over here. Just to say, we do have 2 poodles. And yeah, so thank you for watching my video, and always remember, It is what it is, and it ain't work, it ain't. Till next time, bye from Pink Poodle 2.